Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable Discord on startup. So in this case, log into your Discord account first. Then go to the settings icon. You can see here before your username. So scroll down and till you find this option, Windows settings. Click on Windows settings, and you can see open Discord, which is turned on. You must turn this off. Okay, so if you turn this off, then it will stop your starting when you open your computer or laptop. Okay guys, let's see now. Just turn off this Discord and you have to restart your PC. If you once restart, you can see that your Discord account is not opening on startup automatically. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.